When you have locations enabled, this is the screen that you're met with. You have the business, where you can have 5-level hierarchy. So the business is the head office, managing the branches or the warehouses underneath. So let's say we've got the head office in London. This is our business address. However, we have a warehouse in London under W1. Now, if I want to enter another warehouse in London, I can do that by clicking on Add Location. I say that it's a warehouse. I give it a second name. So Add Location, warehouse, give it a second name. So let's call it London, SE2. So the parent location is in here. We can edit the address and we can say that it is 42 Robin. So this is now nested underneath the head office in London. So the warehouse locations are used specifically for stock tracking. The warehouse location, so within here, you cannot have sub-locations of a warehouse. You can only have sub-locations of a business.